Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yusuf Shakeel, and in this video we are going to learn about the for off statement. So let's get started. Alright, we use the for off statement to iterate over iterables like array, string, set, etc. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have an array const ar and it has 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's say we want to print all the elements inside this array. So if we use for loop, we would write something like this: for let I, which is going to be the index, I smaller than ar dot length I plus plus, and we are going to write console dot log ar I. And if we run this code, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, in order to solve this using for off statement, our code is going to look something like this: for const element of array. And we can console log element. Let me comment this out. And if we now run this code, we get the same result: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's look at another example. Let's say we have a string const str hello. And we want to print all the characters inside this string. So if we use for loop, our code is going to look something like this: for let I be equal to 0, I smaller than string dot length I plus plus, and then console dot log str I. And if we run this code, we get all the characters of the string. And if we want to achieve the same result using for off statement, our code is going to look something like the following: for const character of string console.log character, and we comment this one out. And if we run this code, we get the same result: all the characters of the string. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of another video. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial series, and if you are, then please subscribe my channel, click that bell icon, and please like my videos. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and like always, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye.